Okay, so if this isn't a huge giveaway to what's in my Cakeworthy package, I don't know what is. I am so excited. Oh, it's like so springy and bright, and I just love it. So it's the Lizzie McGuire Cakeworthy flannel. Lizzie McGuire, you are an outfit repeater. And then it has a little cartoon Lizzie and a little flower. Lizzie McGuire. Also, like, I did my hair and it looks so cute. The buttons are like really pretty purple. And like, I can wear small in the flannels, but I kind of prefer a medium just for a more relaxed kind of oversized fit. Oh, this is so cute. I love like the bright colors. It's so cute. And that's what I got from Cakeworthy for the Lizzie McGuire collection. Also, this is available on Shop Disney. Hope you have a great day.